Nihal from Bangladesh.
Assimalhakeem, Sheikh.
Alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.
Sheikh, my question is, I try my best to give dawah to my classmates but they ignore it. What advice should you give me and them?
Da'wah is to be given for those who would benefit from it. If you give da'wah to deaf ears or to walls, they're not gonna benefit from it. So as long as you have done your due diligence and given da'wah for them once or twice, and they are making fun of you or not listening to you, in this case, alhamdulillah, you isolate yourself from them, give your back to them, and look for others who may reciprocate and listen to your da'wah and accept it.